Hello students, welcome to the next session of your computer class. So today we'll learn about the chapter 3 computer virus. Okay, so this computer virus, what is it, the virus, how it spreads in the computer, and how it damages our computer system softwares, and how can we recover, or how can we recover our software, and how can we keep safe our softwares in the computer. That regarding that matter we'll read in this chapter. So as you know that today, now at the present situation, it's such like that human being, total in the world human being are suffering from the virus, as you know, the coronavirus. So like that manner, in our body is infecting by many different types of virus. So at presently, but we are suffering a lot. Our whole world also suffering by this coronavirus, and all over the world's greatest scientists are, they are always trying day and night how to stop this virus, how we can develop a vaccine to stop this virus by spreading. But they are, till now they not got successful and lakhs of people already died in different country. In our India also suffering a lot. Whatever it may be, like in our body, the viruses are infecting and different diseases are attacked to our human body. So same way, computer also suffer from the virus. So computer also infects through the virus. But what is the difference between that virus and human body virus? Don't think that germs are that small particles which infect going inside our body and infecting us in different disease. Not like that manner. But here it is different. Computer, it is a machine, as you know, and this machine can run under the software. Without software, machine cannot run. Computer is a machine which can run through the software only. So without software, computer cannot run, cannot work. Okay, computer is a device which need software as well as power supply. Power supply require, energy require, as well as software require. If in any way or any method or any type of source, if our software which is stored in the computer, if it damages, then computer will stop its working. Its hardware, which parts are there inside the computer system, they are not infecting by the virus. They are well together working always. But if the software is not working properly, then that is useless. That hardware parts are useless. So software and hardware, the combination of both a computer can run. Okay. So first of all, we should learn what is this virus. Virus is nothing but a program only. Okay, computer virus, which is called, it is a virus. It is, so it is a computer program. Purposefully, it is developed, this program, to damage your computer software. That is the virus. Its full form is there also. Its full form is Vital Information Resource Under Siege. Vital Information Resources Under Siege. Okay, that is the full form of virus, computer virus. So these vital information resources under siege, or in the short form it is called virus, how it implants in our computer. So it implants by different ways. It comes to our computer. For external source. External source means what? Like we human being, from externally of different viruses are entering to our body. Through hand it is entering, through nose it is entering, through ears it is entering, through mouth it is entering. So different from outside to it is going to in our body, inside our body, by which it is infecting us by different disease. Like the same way, coronavirus also like that type. So we are taking precaution. We are not supposed to touch anybody. We are always supposed to wash our hand always. Okay, and we should wear mask always in our mouth. So that means that precautions why you are taking, because the coronavirus will not able to enter in our body. So like that manner, in the computer software also, many software of the computers are stored in our to perform our task. Many different kind of softwares are stored. We are stored, sometimes the manufacturers they are stored, so by which the computer can run smoothly and it can helpful to do our work. So our any work, maybe accounting work or maybe a table calculation work or any type of work, whenever we are need a computer to perform, it require a software. So that software, it may be preloaded or we supposed to store it in our computer. Okay, but whatever softwares we are storing, with that software, this virus software also hidingly it will go inside our computer. Or that is the one of the way. Another way also there, while you are working in the internet, many type of mail it is coming to your computer, it stores in your computer. You are downloading many softwares, you are also storing many software, you are uploading also something. So these all communication work when you are doing, at that time this software, this virus software, it will enter into your computer. Okay, hidingly it will enter. Okay, you will not able to know that when it is entered to your computer. So, and when computer it will enter, the virus software will enter into the computer. So it slowly it will damage your softwares whatever stored in your computer. So in your computer, while you are working in your computer, first of all you know very well that many softwares are stored in the ROM section, as well as your operating system also stored in the hard disk, and also some subsidiary softwares are also stored in the hard disk. So these all softwares, when you are working with that softwares will execute and they will perform your task, by which in your computer you can do your problem to solve. But time to time what happens, if virus software will enter into the computer, slowly, not at a time suddenly, slowly, gradually it will spoil your softwares which all are stored in your hard disk, or softwares which all are stored in your computer memory, by which today you are working with that software, but tomorrow when you start working, that will be on executable software. Means it will not execute. That means it is affected by the virus software. And also another one thing is that many different types of activity it will perform by the computer while you are working. If it is infected, sometime it will create beep sound always, sometime it will not start also your computer, sometime in the while you are working suddenly it will close down, sometime different software, while you are working you are supposed to work with one software but another software will execute. So like this manner, unnatural behavior you will see in your computer, by which you can imagine that your computer is infected by the software, by the virus software. So we'll see now now you understood what is computer virus. Computer virus in short form you can say that it is a program that attacks your computer system softwares, by which it will be spoil your computer softwares, by which later on it will not execute, that softwares will not execute. Now we'll see what are the different types of computer virus software. Okay, viruses, what are the different types? So that we'll see. Like our body also infecting by different viruses, by which our body will be our body different way diseases will come to our body. So same way, so different types of viruses are there. So we'll see what are the different types of computer viruses. So first of all, we'll see boot sector viruses. Boot sector virus means what? Boot sector, that means your hard disk, whatever you know in a computer, there is a hard disk. Every computer hard disk is installed. Hard disk, whatever it stores, there it is in the tracks and sector it is made. One group of tracks and sectors are made. In the tracks and sector only information stored. And what is this sector in tracks? That means there is a many concentric lines in the hard disk. It is made, and each group of concentric line, it is made one sector. So from that sector, one will be considered it is a starting sector. And this boot sector virus will damage first that starting point of the sector. Just like in your book, the content page, your content page everywhere written there, chapter name, your page number, then it will be easy to find that particular chapter which one you want to read. By content, looking the content, you can reach to that there. So same way, hard disk also having many sectors and tracks, and many files, many programs are stored there. But one of them is called, it is a boot sector virus. Boot sector, that means starting point, that is. And that starting point sector, if first of all it will run, and thereafter it will go to other portion of that hard disk to read the other softwares. So in that case, the virus, this is a one kind of virus which infects that boot file. That starting sector, it will be infected by the virus. Directly it will go and infect the boot sector, by which if starting will be not damaged, then computer cannot reach to that particular destination file which one you are going to execute it, by which it will become unreadable. Your hard disk will be not able to locate the software which one it is supposed to run, by which you cannot run that software. So the boot sector viruses are like this manner. Stone virus is one kind of software, one kind of program or virus program which is called boot sector virus. Many like that manner it is given, but stone virus is one of the virus which is called boot sector virus. The next virus is that Trojan horses. Trojan horses is one type of virus. It is coded program that masks the existence of virus or malware by making it appear friendly. So when you are working with the software, it will be exist to your computer with a friendly software. That means some activity in a software it will show you, by which in the friendly manner it will enter. It will be easy to execute, easy to work, like that manner software basis it will enter to your computer. And it steals the information from the computer. Thereafter, after entering, then it steals the vital informations, whatever the important information of your computer, it will damage it. It steals it. And Trojan horses can appear as a game or mobile application like that, which is interesting software, like that manner it will enter. Like a mobile game, it will enter into your computer, or a particular interesting game you are downloading from the internet, or any game which one you are working with the internet and you like that software, which how much that software you like, which one much more. So like that manner it will come through that game software, it will come, and slowly it will enter into your computer, and it will damage your important software which one it is stored in your computer, that will be damaged. And thereafter few days, when you will go on by working with the computer, you will see suddenly your computer will be not able to read some files, not able to start properly, and if you are starting, then many different activity to start. So you have to think that this computer is completely infected by the virus. So okay, that is called your Trojan horses. Then program file virus. Okay, look at your book. Program file virus. Program file virus infects the program or executable files like one with the extension of .com, exe, sys, these all. Some of the programs are, some of the softwares programs which is stored in your hard disk, their file extensions are sys, exe or .com. These are machine coded language programs, machine language program. These all are. These will be system softwares, like which all are the system software. That softwares are extensions are like this manner, and it is machine written language program. And some of the virus are there, they will only destroy this type of system programs. Okay, they are particularly made to destroy the files which having exe extension, which having sys extension, which having .com extension. So that particular files will be destroyed, by which that important files which all are having the com or sys or exe, that is machine language program, it is essential programs, and that will destroy. That means your machine will be not able to run, your computer will not able to run. So Sunday is one example. Okay, Sunday. Okay, Sunday is one example of the program file virus. Like the same way, Trojan horses, backdoor and exploit is two types of virus software. The name of the software, these all are. These two types of software which can spoil your programs or your executable files. The next thing it is that OWNs. OWNs is one malicious program. It is one type of virus also, virus program that duplicates itself. That means your program which on it is stored, if this virus will enter, then immediately that program will be automatically duplicate itself. Okay, that program will be triplicate itself. So by which your space will be occupied, your all the vacant space will be occupied by this program several times when there will be make it duplicate. Then several same program repeatedly it will go on by storing in whole hard disk, by which few programs are stored in your hard disk, but it will show you disk full. That means no space, by which your computer is infected by that particular virus. And this Michelangelo and Michelangelo and MS Blast, these two types of virus, Michelangelo and MS Blast, these two types of virus are this category, OWNs category. Then polymorphic virus. Next it is a polymorphic virus. In this virus appear different form, in different shape, different types of program it may appear. It infects the file and changes its binary pattern. As you know, the machine language written programs are stored in the computer memory. The machine language means that is a binary language. So these binary language programs, the pattern which manner it is stored the program, that automatically will be changed, by which that program will not able to execute by the computer. So that type of programs are Elkern and Marburg and Elkern. These are two kinds of software programs are there virus, that is polymorphic virus. Then network virus. Network virus means what? This is one kind of virus through which this one, if your computers are connected to any other computer by local area network system, many computers in a room are connected each other by the cable wire, okay, and 10-20 computers are connected, and one computer is sharing the information to other computer is sharing information to next computer. So like this manner, by sharing system, they are supposed to work. Many persons together by sitting, they can work with that computers, and they work, total work by sharingly they will do that work. So in that particular networking system, this kind of one virus it is there. It will enter into one computer, and slowly with the sharing information, it will go to other computer. Then from that computer also it will remain, and that will spoil there. Thereafter it will go to another, transfer to another computer. With your information it will automatically transfer. So like this manner, slowly the entire networking system will be spoiled. So nobody can share information from one computer to another computer. And how it will enter? Through internet it can enter, or through the pen drive, or through the external sources, which storage sources, whatever we are using with the computer, it will enter into one computer, and thereafter slowly it will spread to other computer while you are transferring information from one computer to another computer. Okay, and SQL scanner is one example of this such type of virus. Okay, SQL scanner. Okay, the next thing it is that this networking virus, when it will spread to all computer, then the entire networking system, who all are working with that networking, all the people are gatheringly they are working together. Okay, so that completely work will stop. So until unless you are not removing that virus from the network, so it is not possible to work, and it is very difficult also to remove it, because from one computer when you remove, it will start to enter another computer. From another computer, when it will remove, then it will go to one more computer. So like this manner, it is very difficult to remove also. Once if it is entered the virus into the networking computer, so that means it is very difficult to remove also. So like this manner. So next thing it is that directory virus. This directory virus is designed to change the location of the infected file. So the file which one it is infecting by this virus, so gradually what will happen, that infected files, it will be, the location will be changed. Now present in one sector it is stored, so after few days it will go to another sector, that infected file. Okay, thereafter then that area will be damaged. Thereafter it will go to another sector. So like this manner, it will change its location every time, just like your hide and seek play we are playing. Like that manner, this virus always, it will not constantly infect one file, and it will, which file it is infected, its location will change every time from one place to another place, by which it will be difficult for us to find out which one it is infected, which file is infected. Okay, so this type of virus, and you will never know that you have a run virus. Thereafter, if the place is changing, so you are unable to understand that we are running a virus infected software or virus infected program we are running, because its location always it is changing. So this DIR2 is such kind of virus. So these are the different types of computer virus we have discussed. Then next we will discuss about some more viruses.